By January 2026, nearly half of the skills listed on your resume could become obsolete. The world of work is changing fast, and those who cling to outdated methods will be left behind. While many scramble to keep up with the basics, a select group of professionals known as AI architects are thriving. They're earning more than ever not because they know how to prompt, but because they possess the skills that truly matter in the age of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 skills that will future-proof your career and the 3 you need to drop immediately. Imagine updating your resume only to find that 40% of your skills are now irrelevant. This isn't a distant possibility, it's happening right now. The rise of AI is transforming industries and the demand for new capabilities is skyrocketing. If you're still focused on learning to prompt, you're already behind. The job market is shifting and those who adapt quickly will be the ones who succeed. Let's dive into the skills that are making a real impact and why you need to rethink your approach. While most people panic about keeping up with AI, a small group called AI architects are quietly making more money than ever. These professionals aren't just using AI, they're orchestrating complex systems, connecting multiple tools, and designing workflows that deliver results. Their expertise goes far beyond basic prompting. They understand how to leverage AI for maximum impact, making them indispensable in today's business landscape. First skill you need is AI orchestration. It's not enough to master a single tool. The real value lies in connecting multiple AI automation tools and making them work together seamlessly. If you can't make dozens of AI tools communicate and collaborate, you risk being reduced to a glorified data entry clerk. AI orchestration is about building bridges between technologies, creating systems that are greater than the sum of their parts. Prompt optimization goes beyond simply writing prompts. It's about designing prompts that scale across different AI systems, making your work faster and more efficient. Small tweaks in prompt design can transform a 10-minute task into a 10-second solution. This skill is crucial for anyone looking to maximize productivity and leverage AI's full potential. Prompt optimization is the difference between average results and exceptional outcomes. AI can generate vast amounts of data, but only skilled professionals can turn that data into actionable insights. Data interpretation is about understanding AI outputs and translating them into strategies that drive business success. Most people overlook this skill, and as a result, they get replaced. If you can interpret data effectively, you become a valuable asset to any organization. System integration is the 4th essential skill. It's about connecting AI tools with your business workflow, ensuring that every part of your process communicates effectively. If your tools don't talk to each other, your workflow is broken. System integration creates a seamless environment where AI enhances every aspect of your business, making operations smoother and more efficient. Automation architecture is about designing end-to-end processes that run without human intervention. This skill allows you to create systems that operate autonomously, freeing up time and resources for more strategic tasks. Real leverage comes from automation. When your processes are self-sustaining, you can focus on growth and innovation instead of manual work. Ethical AI oversight is becoming increasingly important. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar to avoid AI disasters such as bias, security flaws, and compliance issues. If you can spot these problems before they escalate, you become invaluable. Ethical oversight ensures that AI systems are safe, fair, and compliant, protecting both the company and its customers. Strategic contextualization is the final skill on our list. AI can generate code, content, and strategies, but it can't understand the unique needs of a business. Bridging this gap is what makes you unfireable. By providing context and aligning AI outputs with business goals, you ensure that technology serves a purpose and drives meaningful results. Not all skills are worth your time. In fact, there are 3 you need to quit immediately. These outdated abilities are holding you back and preventing you from reaching your full potential. As AI evolves, the market for these skills is shrinking fast. Let's identify what you should stop focusing on so you can redirect your energy toward what truly matters. The first skill to quit is basic prompting. While it was once valuable, the market has moved on. Prompt engineering roles are disappearing, and those who focus solely on this are missing out on bigger opportunities. It's time to move beyond simple prompts and embrace more advanced AI skills. The second skill to quit is manual data entry. As AI automation becomes more sophisticated, manual tasks are quickly being replaced. If you're spending time on repetitive data entry, you're not leveraging your potential. Focus on skills that add value and drive innovation instead. The third skill to quit is isolated tool usage. Relying on a single AI tool limits your effectiveness. The future belongs to those who can integrate and orchestrate multiple technologies. Don't get stuck using just one platform, expand your skill set and stay ahead. Demand for AI integration is up by 400%. Businesses are searching for professionals who can connect and optimize AI systems, not just operate them. This surge in demand highlights the importance of mastering integration skills. If you want to be in high demand, focus on connecting technologies and creating value through integration. While demand for AI integration is soaring, prompt engineer positions are becoming scarce. The market is moving away from basic prompting and toward more advanced skills. If you want to stay relevant, you need to shift your focus and embrace the new landscape of AI-driven work. 7 skills we've discussed are your real future. By mastering AI orchestration, prompt optimization, data interpretation, system integration, automation architecture, ethical oversight, and strategic contextualization, you position yourself as an indispensable asset. Don't waste time on skills that are fading. Focus on what will drive your success in 2026 and beyond. Everyone else will keep spinning their wheels on outdated tools like ChatGPT, but you have the opportunity to cash in with these 7 AI super skills. The difference between average and extraordinary is your ability to adapt and master what matters. Stay ahead by focusing on skills that deliver real results. Don't wait to make the shift. Unlock your full AI toolkit by mastering the skills that matter. The future belongs to those who are proactive, adaptable, and ready to embrace change. Take control of your career and position yourself for success in the AI-driven world. Mastering these 7 skills isn't just about staying employed, it's about thriving. As AI continues to evolve, those who can orchestrate, optimize, interpret, integrate, automate, oversee ethically, and contextualize strategically will lead the way. Make the commitment to level up and secure your place in the future of work. Recap: the world of work is changing rapidly. By January 2026, many skills will be obsolete, but the 7 AI super skills we've covered will keep you ahead. Drop the outdated abilities and focus on what matters. The future is bright for those who adapt, innovate, and master the art of AI integration. Take the next step and invest in your growth. Your career depends on it. Everyone else will keep spinning their wheels on ChatGPT. While you could be cashing in with these 7 AI super skills, don't wait, hit subscribe and unlock my full 2026 AI toolkit. Already mastering these? Drop a level UP in the comments and prove you're ahead of the game.